In the previous video, we have demonstrated about time, distance and speed and their interrelationship. In this video, we shall explain the basic idea of relative speed or relative velocity. When the speed or velocity of an object is measured relative to other object, it is called relative speed. For example, two objects A and B with a certain distance between them. Now, if A approaches toward B, then both A and B are relatively dynamic to each other, although B is static in its place. It is a common phenomenon, happens with us when we approach to an apparently static object. It seems the object is also approaching to us. Or if we go away from an object, the object also seems to be go away from us. If two objects run to the same direction with same speed, they are relatively static to each other because the distance between them remain unchanged with time. When both the objects approach to each other or go away from each other, their relative speed would be the sum of their speed. In reality, the static and dynamic states are relative states. If we think about the universe, we can realize everything in the universe is dynamic. Stars, planets, asteroids, comets, nothing is static. And our Earth is always rotating about its own axis. Now, the question may arise, the static objects on the Earth we observe, are they really static? Well, from the space, nothing seems to be static on the Earth. But if we are on the Earth, we can observe many relatively static objects around us. Let's take a common example. A bus is approaching to the bus stop. To the person at the bus stop, the bus and the passengers in the bus all are dynamic. But inside the bus, the passengers are static to each other because the mutual distance among them do not change with time. On the other hand, the mutual distance between the tree and the building remains unchanged. That is why these objects are considered as static objects. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Science for Learning Minds.